Garage Ecoboost mods today.
In the spirit of can't leave good enough alone.
This truck has how many miles on it?
700.
700 miles. He's owned it for about 4 days.
It was a demo when I got it. It had like 590 on it. So
this is going to work for your Ecoboost F-150s, specifically the 2.7. So what we're going to show you guys today is the VTA mod. It's the vent to atmosphere. $11 on Amazon gets you some noise making capabilities on these trucks with the blow off valve. So I have it done on my truck. Again, I got the 2.7. We're going to do it to his truck. We're going to get right into it, show you how to do it. It's $11 on Amazon, and you get four full replacement items. We're going to show you what that is, how to do it, and it should take us about 4 minutes. So let's get right into it. So on Amazon, if you look up an 1.25 inch cap for the bottom of a chair, it's a rubber cap that looks like this. That's all you need. What you're doing is you're taking off the tubing that recirculates from the blow-off valve back up into the intake. What that allows, once you cap off that intake side of it, it allows the blow-off valve to just vent it to the atmosphere so you hear it. We're going to show you guys real quick how to get in there and do it, and we should be done in 2 minutes. We're going to give you some before and after, so stay tuned. Let's get that rolling. All right, so we're going to give it some warm-up. I'm sorry, it is warm-up. We're going to give it some revs. This is before. All right, let it rip. All right. You can hear it very, very slightly, so let's get into this and get that after. So just so you guys are aware, the bottom of the intake tube, Ryan's going to point to the actual tube that you're going to be taking off. It is just a quick, right there. It's a quick release on that, and it's a quick release on the blow-off valve as well. So we'll get that off. All right, we're under the truck right now, and this is your electronic blow-off valve. So we're just gonna, again, it just twists and pulls off. That's it. That's off.
dude, we're gonna end up messing with this truck.
All right, if you follow that up, it literally just goes right to the back of the bottom of that intake tube.
I'm gonna have to get where you're at.
Okay, let's switch spots. And just like that, it's popped off. That's how, I mean, what, 4 seconds?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go put that cap on. Okay. This is it. So
First mod
and first 3 days of owning this thing. And that cap, guys, you see it down there? Let's put the cap right on the bottom of that.
That's it. I'm gonna put a zip tie on it.
Yeah, we're gonna zip tie it on there, but let's give him a quick before and after. All right, here's the after. Do it.
That's cool.
That's pretty awesome, right?
Yeah.
So again, for
the Coyote days with the tile on it.
right? So for $11 on Amazon, you get 4. So I just changed mine out today because we bought some for him. Mine's been on there for 5 years with no issues. I just took it off because, you know, it's rubber. It's gonna get dried out or whatever. So that's your Ecoboost VTA quick mod, $11. Make some engine noises. All right, guys, it's Chris, it's Ryan, it's SVT Garage, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.